I love her energy, her excitement. I love how she interacted with the audience and really how she tied her stories together from the very beginning all the way to the middle to the end with her mother. It was just heartfelt, and just her passion exudes from the stage. What I enjoyed most was the interactivity with the audience. It really, when you get close to the speaker, you can really feel that energy, the excitement, and it really helps the learning to seep in.
The exercise of communication was really very useful, and I can immediately take that back to my team. There's often these differences between what they hear and then what they actually do, that everybody given the clear instructions is going to come up with something very different, so we have to be very clear in our communication and to get feedback and questions from them, so to encourage that from our teams. So it was a great, overall great message, and that was the one takeaway that I'm going to immediately use. So.
Oh, 100, actually 1000% yes. If you're looking for someone to liven up your event, to make your audience feel good, to really motivate, inspire, but most importantly, transform, Deborah Gardner, FTW for the win. Highly recommended.